Hello guys, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. This video is related introduction to archaeology. This video is very interesting. Let's start the video. What archaeology is not: paleontology, grave robbing, treasure hunting, paranormal, curses and magic. The archaeological method: formulate a research question, identify a suitable site region, select an appropriate research method, collect data, analyze data, research research question. Research design: formal archaeology start with a research question. For example, testable hypotheses. Research interests are influenced by the broader research in the social or hard sciences. Archaeology shifts in focus from hard sciences focus to humanities focus. 1950 to 1980. Processual archaeology emphasizes scientific method in archaeology, aims to create a unifying theories of cultural action. 1980 present. Post-processual archaeology emphasizes symbolic process and complexity of human interaction, aims to explore the variability of human interaction. 2000 present. Behavior and evolutionary archaeology suggests that natural selection operates on human behavior, creating varied but scientifically predictable reactions to natural and cultural stimuli. Research buzzwords of the last decade: fasting and commensality, ideology and hegemony, agency, materiality, evolutionary psychology, public archaeology, behavioral or conjective process, ecological determinism. Identifying archaeological sites. Primary means of identifying archaeological sites is survey. Several different forms of survey using different methodology. Beyond site identification, archaeological surveys are used to assess regional settlement patterns. Ground traditional surface survey. Ground survey consists of physically traversing the landscape, identifying sites. Two types of survey: unsystematic and systematic. Unsystematic: the collection or recording of sites encountered in traversing the landscape based by the archaeologist sampling. Systematic survey conducted using rigorous controls, creating a grid system or a series of equally spaced transects ensures the entire survey area is analyzed uniformly. The primary type of archaeological site in the Near East is the tell. Tells are the result of the construction of successive layers of occupation at a specific location. Other sites include roads, wells, watchtowers, campsites, irrigation ditches, quarries, mines, agricultural fields, bridges, etc. Aerial or satellite reconnaissance: use of aerial photography or satellite imagery to identify past activity on the landscape. Remote sensing techniques: electromagnetic resistance measurement of electrical conductivity in topsoil to map archaeological sites. Stone and mud brick walls and other features conduct electricity differently than surrounding soils. Ground penetrating radar waves of radio energy are transmitted into topsoil and the echo is measured to determine changes in soil composition and depth. Excavation techniques: sampling. Non-probabilistic sampling used when archaeologists already are familiar with the landscape or are interested in a particular site. Probabilistic sampling used when a representative sample is required. to test hypotheses or the site is poorly understood. Several types of probabilistic sampling. Random sampling, area of excavation chosen at random from grid layout of site. Systematic sampling, area of excavation chosen at equally spaced intervals in grid. Excavation sampling at Kinan Deep, Turkey. Excavation technique. Horizontal excavation, the removal of large horizontal exposures to reveal the extent of occupation during a single level at a site. Primary goal is recovery of architect. Excavation techniques, Wheeler Canyon method. Excavation of smaller techniques, 5 multiply 5 meters separated by balks to control for stratigraphy. Primary goal is a overview of the depth of occupation in association with other trenches at site. I hope you would like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.